Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a Wizz account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all, go ahead, access your Wizz app on your mobile phone. Upon doing that, you will have two options, which is continue with Apple if you would prefer Apple ID. Otherwise you have the option of continue with Google. Simply go ahead, tap on it, tap on continue. Now choose the account accordingly, and now go ahead, tap on this accept the terms and condition, and add in the name of yours. Tap on this icon and choose a gender. Pick your picture for you to add. Tap on save option, save without the music. Tap on get started, and there you go, you're done. You will tap on this profile icon in the bottom right, and you can check out your profile right over here. You can choose to edit and add other information accordingly as well. Other than that, this is how you can make it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.